Welcome back to Guga Food, guys. Today, tomahawk steak, caveman style. Check it out.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
Angel, what do you think, my brother?
They look good, but I saw you doing some crazy stuff to this thing.
Angel have never seen a caveman style tomahawk, and you see, you don't need an expensive barbecue. Look how it came out. You just need the right charcoal. You cannot do this with briquettes. You have to use lump, and a good one. You see how big my lumps are? That charcoal is awesome. Anyway, what do you think, Angel? You ready to try this?
I don't know.
Look at that. He's cooked to perfection, guys. Now, he's a little bit skeptical because he never seen anything like cooked directly on the charcoal. But I'm telling you, I want to know your opinion. You tell me if it's going to be good. Sounds good?
You're going to get my opinion, bro.
All right, let's go for it. Go for it.
Oh, I got this one. This looks good.
Got that one. Ooh, look at that. Oh, you know what? I'll give you the honors, Angel. You try it first.
Oh, it's like that. Okay.
Go for it. He put a huge piece on his mouth and it's going to take a while. Why you do that? While you chew, I'll put a little piece. Let's see.
Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Wow. That was good.
It's good.
All right. I was expecting it just to taste like burnt. Like burnt.
Yeah, like charcoal, terrible flavor, bitter, right?
Mm-hmm.
And?
Bro, throw your grill away, bro.
No, I love my grills. Don't listen to him.
Throw it away. You don't need no grill. That's good, man.
Isn't it?
It came out tender. Super tender.
Yep, super tender, extremely flavorful. You have that nice char. I know one of the first things that you're gonna think about it when you're doing caveman style is, oh my God, I'm putting directly on the charcoal. It's gonna taste like charcoal. Does it taste like charcoal?
It tastes like charcoal, but it doesn't taste like
you're eating the charcoal?
Eating the charcoal. It tastes like like you cooked it with charcoal.
You cooked it with charcoal, exactly.
But, damn!
Are you surprised, Angel?
I am super surprised. It's super tender.
It's extremely tender. Perfect medium rare. Look at that. I didn't use a thermometer. Perfect medium rare. You put a huge piece in your mouth, huh? Guys, it is fantastic. It is delicious. It is delicious. Let me give you a few tips. When you're cooking this method, you know, it's direct heat all the time. However, when you put it on the charcoal, it immediately slows down the temperature. It's not high temperature all the time. So it's perfect. However, you need to keep flipping the steaks. Don't just put it there and leave it there and go do whatever it is. You put it in there, cook it for 2 minutes, flip it. Cook it for another 2 minutes, flip it back, another 2 minutes until you go back and forth until it's ready to go. How are you gonna be able to tell it's ready to go? I do it by touch, you know? I just basically, once I touch this part of my hand and I touch the steak and it's the same kind of feel, that's when I know it's done. Pretty simple and easy, everybody. There's no secret. You're not gonna mess it up, and don't be afraid. How do you like it?
Man, oh man. That was good. That's super good.
There is no excuse. If you don't have a grill, just buy nice big lump charcoal and you're good to go. Agree?
I'm gonna take a bag of charcoal.
You wanna take a bag of charcoal home?
Yeah. I'm gonna take a whole bag.
There you go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a lot of fun. Make it for your house. It's a different kind of taste as well. It's not the same as if you're cooking it. It gives a tremendous char flavor to the steak. It does not taste like ash whatsoever.
At all.
It is fantastic. I recommend you not seasoning it before because the salt will just burn out and so will the pepper. I did season it with salt and pepper right at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is on the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, that's your new goodbye.
That's my new goodbye.
I like it. I like it. You show respect to the audience.
Show respect, bro.
By the way, you guys don't know, but Angel is also a 3rd-degree black belt, just like Mamao is. And yeah, he's a black belt under me because I was his master. And this boy can kick some butt. I can tell you that right now. So on the comments...
You're not supposed to tell them that, bro.
On the comments, be nice. He knows what's up. I'm telling you right now. Anyway, guys, see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.